This week we have 6 new sight words. The first word is the word another. I have another pencil in my box. Let's go ahead and spell the word another. A-N-O-T-H-E-R. Another. The next word is the word climb. I can climb the ladder. Let's go ahead and spell the word climb. C-L-I-M-B. Climb. The next word is the word full. I ate a big dinner and I am full. Let's go ahead and spell full. F-U-L-L. Full. The next word is the word great. I'm doing great in school. Let's go ahead and spell great. G-R-E-A-T. Great. The next word is the word poor. My poor mom is not feeling good. Let's go ahead and spell poor. P-O-O-R. Poor. Oops. The last word is the word through. I can go through the bushes. Let's go ahead and spell through. T-H-R-O-U-G-H. Through. Now let's practice each word together. Another, climb, full, great, poor, through. Now let's go ahead and see if you can beat me. See if you can say the word before I say it. Another, climb, full, great, poor, through. Great job. Now that we're done, you're going to head on over to your I Spy page, and these 6 words will be on the top. You're going to go ahead and fill in every box that has one of our sight words on it and see what mystery word the page spells. Once you are done, make sure you take a picture and send it to me.